welcome back to my channel. It's Frances Brown Art, and here again with another vinyl. This is my thing. So today I've got half black and half white. I thought I'd do, you've got blue colours here, so that's kind of like icy or sea-ish or water or whichever you decide, and this side is more fiery. So you're going to do fire and ice. That's my plan, and I think this time I might oh gosh, what's it called? Oh dear, it's not going well already. Swipe it is what I was trying to find there. Okay, so I'm going to just put a load of paint down. I'm not sure whether to put it in just randomly like this. Apparently this is what I'm doing, or in a kind of a line. So I think I'll just do it randomly. This is nearly done, so I'm going to finish the red. Very random. So I hope everyone's well. There's just been, actually, you missed by about, I don't know, 2 minutes, a thunderstorm outside. So it's very exciting. This is a bit orangey. And this side I'm going to swipe with yellow. So I've got my little tiny yellow there, which has got a bit of silicone in, and then I shall swipe the blue with the blue side with a light blue, I think. Now the yellow seems to be drifting in quite hard. I'm not sure if the yellow is a little bit thicker. Could be, which would make sense. I've got a little bit of gold left, so I'm going to put all of that in. That gives the most incredible sheeny kind of a thing going on, which I love. They look great when they're dry, so if you wanted to have a look at the dry result, then come and check it out on my Instagram channel. If you're on Instagram, it's at Frances_Brown_art. It would be lovely to see you there. So that's that. I think that's all of the fiery colours. Now we're going into the blues. Anyone who knows me knows that these are my favourites. I'm not going to lie. I'm more of a water girl than a fire girl. Although I'm an Aries. Who'd have guessed? Now this is a gorgeous colour, isn't it? Look at that! Wow. So this is actually a Pebeo paint. I do really like their acrylic paints. Actually, they're a little bit more expensive, but they're really nice. And this is just a silver, so to give this side a bit of a sheen. Not to be outdone by the gold on the other side. And then, now I'm going to put some of this light blue, and then the rest I'm going to just add a little bit of the, where is it, Pebeo, there it is, silicone oil. This is the one that I use. So I'll put a few drops of that in there, and then mix it around. And then this is going to be my swiping mix, as it were. So while we're on this side, I swipe this way, so I'm going to swipe the black out first. Ooh, this is the messy part. Get everything out of the way. So this is my swiping colour, the yellow. Hopefully there's enough, otherwise I'll just quickly mix up a bit more. It's a bit thin. I might add a bit of get it all out. I might add a bit of black to this actually and swipe with yellow and black. That would be interesting, because I've got some mixed up black for swiping. That's got all that out. It's probably enough, but I am just going to get my little bit of black and put it on the other side as a line, and then see what happens. Oh, it's always exciting. Shall I swipe with the big one or the little one? What do we think? I think with the, I don't know, try with the big one. See what goes on. Oh, I got too much of the white then. Okay, let's try and get less white. Everything seems to be disappearing. Hopefully it'll pop up. Ooh. This that you can hear scraping, I put it into a container, and then I will always use this up on a different pool. So, not sure what to do here. I might actually weirdly try and blow that away. That worked. Okay, that's better. Otherwise, you know. Okay, I'm going to turn it. There's a load. The cells are amazing. I'm going to turn it. Ooh, am I turning it around? No, I'm not going to turn it around. I'm going to do left-handed. Okay, so we now need the blue. So this is going to be my, did I add? Yes, I did, didn't I? Yeah, I think so. I hope so, because otherwise it's going to be not working. So here it goes. There's a lot of that light blue, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit more of the darker blue so that we don't have it all kind of one colour. There we go. See what goes on with this one. Just going to wipe off the paddle, as it were. Don't know what it's called, swiping tool. Call it a paddle. Why not? Okay, here we go. Ready? I don't know if I am. Eek, something was in my way. It was the silicone. We'll go and sort that out in a minute. I'm not sure if... pretty. It's not very fiery or icy. I'm not sure which one what it is, but it's quite pretty though. I think I should have might do it again, but this time using white and black to swipe with. That might be, although I'm loving this yellow, the red's all gone into the distance, as it were. Now, what to do in the middle, that's the question. Now, some people use a balloon. Don't have a balloon on me. Do I have a balloon? No. Oh, it's over there, all the way over there. I could try a balloon. Okay, I'm going to see about finding a balloon. I'll be right back. I'm back again, and I've got, it's a very sad looking tiny balloon, but I'm going to use this, I think. I've also got a couple of CDs, which I'm going to kind of print on with anything that comes off from here. So I'm going to see what happens. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to work out a new way. Okay, so the idea is that it kind of brings out the different colours so that they don't just have a line. What are we thinking? I'm not entirely convinced by the balloons. I might do something entirely different now actually. I wonder if I could just... Well, it's making a really lovely pattern on the JD. So, and these can be quite cool little kind of coasters, or... So that's that one done anyway. Boom. Yeah, no, I'm not liking the balloon thing going on, I don't think. I'm going to try some other things. I'm not entirely enamoured with this at the moment. Let's see what else we can do. I think there's a lot of colour underneath this, so I think that's a little bit better in terms of blending. Still not thoroughly 100% happy, so I might just keep playing until I like it. And then if I don't like it, I'll just go over it. That is the beauty of this. I've been watching an awesome lady called Jilly Cube on YouTube, and she says, you know, your art room, your rules. I like that because it's, you know, it's kind of, you do what you like. If you don't like it, then get rid of it. And that is one of the brilliant things about having my work on vinyl, because of course there are so many people chucking vinyl at the moment that you know, there's quite a good supply. I had a gentleman was going to get rid of, I think, 400 albums to the tip, so I rescued them, and they're currently, most of them are in the loft waiting to be painted on. So yeah, so, you know, rescue, I say. Okay, I'm quite liking the middle part now. I think I quite like the way that that's smoothed in. I'm not sure about... Oh yeah, there's quite a lot of colour underneath. I might try and rescue some colour. I would like some red here, or orange. Run out of red, haven't we? Let's put a bit of orange there. That's better. Okay, I think I might leave the blue. It looks like bubble. Oh, it looks like bubbles. I didn't have my mic on. Oh dear. It's all going to pot. I'm going to fire it up and then see what happens, and then I'll come and bring you in. Okay, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, then here's our close-up. I'm not sure, it looks a bit like the earth's on fire and that's the sky. Could be that. That would be a bit sad. I love the sky slash ice slash water though. I'm loving those colours. Some really good cells. Look at that in that kind of claw part. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, then please press like. If you haven't, then I'm sorry. But thank you for joining me anyway, and I shall hopefully see you very soon. Take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.